If you get this connection error, unable to contact server, please check your internet connection on Roblox. Then in this tutorial, I will guide you on how to resolve this problem. Now, you may need to restart your network by trying to turn on your airplane mode. Then turn it on, wait for a few seconds, turn it off, connect to your Wi-Fi or mobile data and try to check if the problem has been fixed. If you've done so but you're still facing again the same issue, you can try to connect or use your mobile data, since sometimes Wi-Fi has some issues. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to connect or use your mobile data and try to check if the problem has been resolved. If you've done so but you're still facing again the same issue, just come here to the Play Store or App Store and make sure the Roblox application has been updated to the latest version. Now, if Roblox application has been updated to the latest version, but you're still facing the connection error, just come here to your settings. So select settings and then select here on apps. Now open apps and then search for the Roblox application. I'll search for the Roblox application. Now go here to storage and make sure to clear the app cache. Now after clearing the app cache, try to relaunch the Roblox app and check if your problem has been fixed. Now, if you're still facing again the same issue, then the problem may be your ISP, and the only solution. Now there is exclusive offer to my viewers. If you use my link, which will be available on the description of this video, as well as the comment section there down below, you'll get up to 76% off NordVPN plus an Amazon gift card with a 30-day money back guarantee. So you don't have to risk about anything. Even if it doesn't work, you can just claim a refund and your money will be returned back. So take advantage of this offer to use NordVPN. I'm using NordVPN. You can see here, if I search here for NordVPN, you can see here I'm using NordVPN. I can just search for any server and connect to it. Sometimes I solve a lot of issues regarding connection errors on various apps. Simply connect to any server that you want and just relaunch that application, which is Roblox, and your problem should just be fixed. So make sure to follow these instructions very carefully, and I hope you'll be able to solve this issue for connection error. Let me know in the comment section if this tutorial has helped you, and see you next time.